Yeah, this is exclusive right here by my man DJ Thug Life.
Bad boy killers.
Put your hands around his neck and demand your respect. We
Fuck
screaming.
them all. Fuck all you motherfuckers.
We outlaw,
Hey, yo, Biggie,
hogs, dog. We run
put
the
your hands
whole
up.
dog. Fuck
Yo,
them
I
all.
can make it happen. My rapping is similar to motherfuckers when they scrapping. Blast and watch them back. I'm notorious Biggie killer. Affiliation with death row. Niggas get their cap peeled back. Food is the West Coast. Bitch, you misdemeanor. I'm raising hell like felonies. Mr. Machiavelli straight out of jail. Selling knees. Intoxicated. We duplicated but never faded. Now that we made it, my adversaries is player hating. Got a Mercedes for the tricks that thought I quit and got a drop top jack. For these bitches that's on my dick, go to club in the back. I'm smoking bud in the back. I'm waiting for niggas to trip, cause bitch I love to scrap. Like mama raised me as a thug nigga. With a love niggas, I'm a millionaire. Started as a drug dealer. I went from rocks to Z's, writing raps and movies. I went from trust to these tricks. Now they all wanna sue me, so fuck them all.
Put your hands around his neck and demand your respect. We
Fuck
screaming.
them all.
We outlaw, hog, dog. We run
Now
the
could you
whole
picture my
dog. Fuck them
criminal
all.
status at its fucking peak? Even the baddest be getting murdered in they seats. I'm addicted to these streets, like crackers to these creeps. Seeing visions of a prison, wake up screaming in my sleep. Is there a heaven in this hell? A possibility of living well. But if they killing me, I'll get my stripes and who's the tell? Choosing to sell, I'd rather die and be deceased. World mob figure, addicted to these fucking streets.
Now put your motherfucking hands up if you's a rider. Niggas ain't killers, so they hide and ride. Fuck them all, touch them all, that's the way that we do it. Ride up, hop the fuck out, watch that bitch nigga lose it. Man, I'm as cold as this game. Y'all be knowing my name. A young, high, strong thug nigga created by pain. Living my life in the fast lane, can fuck about the past. Got my mind on my cash and my next piece of ass, so fuck them all.
Put your hands around his neck and demand your respect. We screaming. We outlaw, hog, dog. We run a whole dog like. Fuck a dollar in the dream. Hit the block with the things, nigga. Homie, we outlaw riders to give a fuck if you like it.
I got glad bags with enemies cut up so they remember me. Soak them in Hennessy so they relatives know it's me. You can bet your ass dollar I'll dick them in holler. Riding these hoochies like they some heavy ass Chevy and Impala. Jump up and get your ass shot up. From a profit, pick my Glock up. I'm busting with such efficiency. Popping, nobody got a holler. Outlaw riders, mash upon the gas pedal. Vacate the scene, count the cash and stash the precious metal. Here come the coppers, the SWAT team in the helicopters. Them crackers just crazy. Why? Cause they'll never stop us. I watch Arnold Schwarzenegger bust somebody in the movie. Now I wanna do it too. Ooh, niggas is too new. True to the game, I claim. Outlaw riders, we give a fuck what they try.
Cause y'all know behind it, can you picture me sticking niggas, but they watching chain. Kick back, little nigga, and watch the game. Get your mug rocked and whatnot. We keep it poppin' like a drug spot. The streets know what's
Even
hot.
Suge call me baby Suge. In the hood I move shit heavy. Deepest the streets barely. Trouble seems to trail me. That's right, bitch. Stop them before I pop them. Your label ain't no riders. I don't mean to
I
not.
keep my mind on my money and my money on my mind. With my back against the wall like I'm running out of time. Even grabbed with a gat, I must be going out my mind. Like I'm up against the world with this gorilla team of mine. Screaming thug life, bitch, fuck them all and die for 'em. Even if the last nigga left, I'ma ride for 'em. Feel me? Until they kill me, that's how I'm rolling. Fuck them all, let them die, that's my slogan. Fuck them all.
Put your hands around his neck and demand your respect. We screaming.